Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever looked at charcoal dust or biomass waste and seen dollar signs? Or maybe you just want a super efficient long-lasting fuel for your stove or heater? Well, in today's video we are turning trash into treasure. We are making high-quality honeycomb briquettes using a simple and a completely manual method. No electricity, no complex machinery, just a cheap mold. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your own solid, clean burning fuel. Let's get started. Before we get our hands dirty, let's gather our materials. You need three main ingredients. Number one, the fuel. This is the base. It can be charcoal fine dust, coal dust, or even carbonized biomass like coconut shells, sawdust, rice husks, maize cobs, and so many others. Number two, the binder. This is the glue that holds it all together. The cheapest and the most accessible option is simple soil. You can also use cassava starch paste, but soil is free if you dig it up. Number three, water. This dissolves the solid particles of the binder into a liquid state so that they can easily mix with the charcoal dust particles. Number four, and the most important of all, is the manual honeycomb briquette mold. I'm sure you haven't seen this anywhere because I'm its inventor. I design and make these molds in various sizes to produce briquettes that fit in different stove sizes. These molds are super light, quick to use, and are extremely durable. Now it's time to mix. Add the soil binder to the charcoal dust powder and mix thoroughly while ensuring that everything is evenly distributed to form a stiff dough. No lumps. You should get the mixture right. If this is off, then your briquettes will always fall apart. The secret is the hand squeeze test. Take a handful and squeeze it right. When you open your hand, it should be a solid lump. If it crumbles, it's too dry. Add a little more water. If it drips out, it's too wet. Add more dry mix. Then, when it holds its shape perfectly, you are ready to mold. Okay, now that the mixture is ready, the mold is ready, let's make some briquettes. First, dip the inside of the mold in water. This is a game changer because it stops the mixture from sticking to the surface of the mold. Now put the mixture into the mold. Then lift the mold and release it to fall for multiple times. This makes the mixture particles to compact themselves and reach every corner of the mold, which creates a dense briquette that burns for a longer period. The higher the lift, the more the compaction. Thereafter, push off excess mixture from the top of the mold and make it flat and nice. Pull out the mold from the rods and press it upside down on a drying tray. Now for the magic moment. Gently hold the mold from the sideways and lift it upwards to remove the briquette. And look at that! A perfect honeycomb briquette. See those holes? That's what gives it the surface area for a super hot, efficient burning. Patience is a virtue, but when it comes to briquettes, it's essential. They need to dry up completely. Arrange them on a tray in a single layer with a little space in between them for air to flow. Then put them in the sun. Depending on the weather, this can take anywhere from 2 to 5 days. You'll see them change from a dark, wet color to a lighter, ashy gray. How do you know they are done? The fingernail test. Try to dig your nail into one. If it's hard as a rock, it's good. You can also do the drop test. Drop one from your waist height. If it shatters, it needs more time. If it makes a solid clink and stays in one place, congratulations, your fuel is already dry. And there you have it. From a pile of dust to a stack of high-performance fuel, you've taken waste materials and with just a simple mold, you've turned them into something incredibly useful. These briquettes burn hotter, longer, and cleaner than loose fuel because of that perfect honeycomb design. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also check out on my Patreon page for more exclusive content. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.